Head down to the bottom of your screen, right-click your taskbar and open up the Task Manager. Once it pops up, go to the top left corner and click on the Processes tab. Now click on any random process just to activate the list. Then type the name of the game ready or not on your keyboard to search for it. If nothing appears, you're good to go. But if it does show up, right-click on it and select End Task to fully close out the game. After that, open Task Manager again just to double check that it's completely shut down. Now move on to your game shortcut, whether it's from Steam or a desktop shortcut, right-click it and scroll down to Properties. Once in there, head over to the Compatibility tab and tweak the following settings. First, check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 inches from the drop-down. Then, disable full screen optimizations and check the box to run the program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. I highly recommend restarting your PC after doing this. Once it's back on, you should see a little shield icon, the admin badge on your shortcut. This means your settings have been applied properly. With these changes ready or not should now launch without any issues.